Hey guys, here at Harris Pompano Beach, out here on the smoking terrace. Nice playing out here, even if you're a non-smoker, because it's all open. You get the breeze. It's nice and rainy and misty today. I think we'll start off and play some 3 reels. Miss Emerald Jackpots. Do you think you can stand right here? Oh, beautiful blocker. All right, fun fact, guys. I love Triple Butterfly 7 game. It is the same base game as Triple Stars. It's just butterflies instead of triple symbols. Take it. Good girl. All right, let's see. Let's go max denom, $2. And max bet is going to be 5 credits. It's going to be $10 to spin on the $2 denom. Let's get some line hits. Any line hits would be great. All right, there's our $5 back. It's also 10x multiplier day. There we go. Is that same color? I can't tell. It's kind of faded. Nice. That's a $164 line hit. We've doubled our $100. A little more than double. I like 3 reel 5 line games. Great for consistent line hits. Great for building tier credits and comp points. And sitting here doing $10 spins. It's a $50 line hit. Everything is times 2. I actually really wish this game had a $5 denom so we could be doing $25 spins. Every time we get mixed 7s, we get our bet back. A lot of times we'll hit 2 different lines at the same time to get double our bet back. We're going to take advantage of this 10x tier credit multiplier and build us some nice comp points. Let's actually go down to the $1 denom and let's try some $5 spins on the $1. See if we can hit something crazy and build up a larger bankroll, then start doing $10 spins. So that's same symbol, $25. So that's the lowest paying 7. That's the highest paying 7, the red one. I'm not into butterflies, but I love Triple Butterfly 7 games. It's always been a great game. Let's get some 3x symbols out here. Ginger's off playing something crazy. I'm sure he's unsupervised at this moment. So he's out there playing something crazy, cartoonish. Yeah, we're waiting on a call from security. We'll be like, this guy says he's with you. And be like, I don't know that guy. There we go. Same symbols with a triple. Still the lowest paying 7 symbol. Let's get triple. So top prize is 8,000 credits on Payline 5, which would be this one. Triple, triple, triple will pay us 8,000 credits. So $8,000 on the $1 denom, 16,000 if we were playing on the $2 denom. Yeah, we're just gonna get a random phone call from security. Can you come to the security office, please? We got a big bearded guy here. He says he's with you. We've got some complaints.
What? You've gotten complaints?
We'll walk in there. He's just gonna be like, just Ginger doing Ginger things. He's like, yeah. Be like, we'll claim him. Excuse me. Great way to build tier credits, increase your comp scores, tier levels. Come in here on a multiplier day, play 3 real 5-line games because of the consistent line hits. Do it again. Missed it. Let's get 2 triple symbols. Do it. I want one in the middle reel. And you know, I know it's the same game, base game as Triple Stars, but it sure, what was that? Sound like a duck. We got a wild duck sighting. But it sure seems like I get a lot more of the triple butterfly symbol that come out on the reels than Triple Star symbol sometimes. So there's a double. And we're going to play some higher limit 3 reels here for you as well, in case we get lucky. Any 3x symbols in any 3 positions, we'll take it. Emerald, reach up there and hit the spin button for me. Yep. Thank you. Again, please. See, and you think you're not lucky. Look at that. Kind of interesting because the wind blows the tripod sometimes.
It's probably just the wind.
Oh! There we go.
Lucy said I have to punch you if that happens.
What? Why does Lucy say you have to punch me if that happens? So it'd been nice if it wasn't the lowest paying 7 again, but we'll take that. That's beautiful looking. Triple. So fantastic game, guys. Now we can step it up and do some $10 spins. So we got 100 in this game, and now we're up to 400. So now let's step it up to $2 denom and do some $10 spins. First spin, magic. You up there, or actually you down here. Oh, do it. That's our highest paying 7. That's the one we want. Those 7s are 150 credits, so it would be $300 by themselves. So times 3 would be 900. If we could get it with a triple symbol. I like how often the symbols come out. Let's hit something other than the white sevens over and over again. How about that? You guys should definitely cash out and take that win if you're playing. But if you're like me and making a video that has to be at least 30 minutes long, it's a whole different story. Let's do one more. Okay, let's do one more. Let's go back to the $1. I'll cash out my original 100 if we get down to that point. And we got to build tier credits on a 10x multiplier day for free. That was close. But it was the white sevens again. Middle reel, and it's the white sevens again. Or are those mixed? No. 5, 10, 50, yeah. In the middle, in the middle. I like how often they're coming out. I wonder what my tier credits are going to end up being after this trip. Mixed symbols. We needed that one. I think this is Huey Lewis in the News. Was I right? Look at that. We should play the song challenge game. Those were the second highest paying sevens, the blue ones. This train. I wish they had a high limit version of this. I really do. Even single line, the high limit version of single line. They have this game at Bellagio, and the last couple times I've been there, it's been out of order. But it's only a $5 denom. Do it now in the middle. Let's see if that was a 9-line game, we would have been in good shape there. I'll take mixed, but I would definitely be banging $50 spins, $25 denom on this game if they had it somewhere. This is one of my favorite games. And Yamava had a triple-double Butterfly Sevens golden respin. I hit so many hand pays on that game, it was insane. I was getting great symbols, and it would respin, and it would line it up with multipliers, and it was crazy. That was the first time I ever played at Yamava, and then I was gonna make a video like my new favorite slot machine. The next time I went back to Yamava, I walked the whole floor and I could not find it again. It was an amazing game. Same again. In the middle. Stuck in the middle with you. Look at this gameplay on $100, guys. This is why I love 3 real 5-line games. Just banging $5, $10 spins. We've been playing for 15 minutes straight, just building comp points. You want your money to last? This is where it's at. All right, last spin here. And let's cash out our original $100 and 10 times multiplier a day. Let's go. Didn't cost us a thing. We did all that play. Let's just move one machine down. And we'll play this one. Triple stars. Same exact game, different symbols. I'll put the same voucher in. Same exact game, different symbols. Trying to figure this glare out. That's a little better, I guess. All right, $1 D now, $5 spins again. Move over here off to the side. There's Ginger. We were wondering if we were going to get a phone call from security. Be like, hey, we got this guy here, says he's with you.
They gave me my own badge. I'm good.
They'll let anybody into this casino.
Not really. But yeah.
Are you gonna hit a win?
Yeah, we just played for 15 minutes
So,
on
yeah, you're
a
already 17 minutes.
on $100 on that machine, and we cashed out our original 100.
Nice.
There we go. See, you showed up and
See,
you
I
brought the
show
luck.
up and the wins start coming.
He's lucky. I'm lucky. We're all lucky.
Again, lowest paying 7, the white ones.
That's the way I roll, baby.
Back to back. Almost. If we get above 200, I'll do some $10 spins. But we're gonna need a triple something for that. Unless we hit a premium symbol here. Oh, who sings this one? Who sings this one? We're doing the song challenge, Ginger. Who sings this one?
All around.
Emerald Jackpots? Unlucky Ginger? Anybody know? Song challenge, who sings this? My living on the evening news. No answer? No answer?
I remember us singing this in your truck down in Somerset.
Don Henley, yeah. You knew the answer this whole time and you didn't speak up?
Laundry.
Give us dirty laundry. I wonder how many of the judo family are out there screaming at the TV, it's Don Henley, you idiots. Play along with us at home. We're doing the song challenge game in the casino here. Like, I see the tripod moving, guys, and I promise you, it's not me this time. I'm not touching it. The chair's not touching it. It's the wind blowing.
Maybe it's ghosts.
He's actually got a pretty nice voice. Yeah. I mean, he's no Steve Perry, but who is? You're doing that in the reflection this whole time?
Actually, go for it.
They're just shaking it. Oh, so close.
That was the truffle shuffle that brought that one.
Is that what that wasn't the truffle shuffle? I don't know what that was, but that wasn't the truffle shuffle. That was some grinding action going on in the background. I'm recording in 4K. That's why I bought this new iPhone, so people are gonna be zooming in on the TV and they're gonna. You just think it's a reflection. Lucy will probably like pull it out of the video and do something with it.
Probably. We're not safe with her.
Is it the duck again? I swear that there's a duck or something that's been quacking somewhere.
Oh, I was like, what? Oh.
Oh, the wind blew the screen.
Over there.
Come on now. Come on now. Hey! Now, that Blue 7 would have paid better, but that's nice.
Pretty.
Yeah, what is that? American says 80 credits. And then 5 for the mix. See, we need triples with those. Love those same symbols when they come out. We'd really love same triple symbols. Miss Emerald Jackpots, have you seen my Red Bull? Thank you. Same. Oh. Uh-oh. I had this one. I can't think of it. Hang on. I can picture the music video in my head. Oh, this one's gonna. I don't know. I'm gonna have to cheat and like Spotify this one. Yeah, I can't. It's gonna drive me crazy. All right, everybody shout it out. Put it in the comments. Who sings this? I was doing so good on the music challenge, and then
I promise you it's wrong.
No.
I promise you it's no. I'm wrong.
Wrong. I promise you.
Who is it?
Wrong.
Who-
I promise you I'm wrong.
Who is it?
It's not Henry again.
It's. I was just get ready to say it sounds like Don Henley. It sounds like the same guy singing.
Which one am I thinking of? All the girls are so back and they're.
Oh, that's
Is it that one or the aisle?
yeah, that is Addicted to Love is what you're talking about. You're talking about Addicted to Love. Make romance.
Oh,
Got him.
I saw her running, I should be turning back around.
Got him.
I've already put back to Lucy coming out. So.
I'm just trying to spin off the credits here. Okay, let's play one more, taking max advantage of our tier credit multiplier day here. But guys, that is 25 minutes of play on a $100 bill. There's a super times pay 5 line. Single line, single line, single line. All right, we're gonna play this one. This wouldn't be my choice. Gosh, I would much rather a triple butterfly 7s, but let's do some $25 spins on this game. To end this video off. If the bill collector's working, please tell me it is. Don't tell me this thing's not working. It's not working. All right. I really wanted to play the 5 line, but the one machine that I haven't played here, let's take a swing. That's the one I hit the 9,000 on the live stream, right? I haven't fed this machine at all. All right, so the difference between single pay line and 5 line is we're not gonna get near the line hits on this game. But any line hits we do get, we'll pay more.
I like the sound of that.
Two. Three. Ah! Who sings it? Your loving hands out, baby. Ginger, song game, who sings it? Pop, pop, pop.
I don't know who sings it.
Mainskin. Or Manskin, Mainskin.
Manscaping.
No, I didn't say manscaping.
Oh,
all right,
okay.
let's go straight to 500 machine. Let's go straight to $50 bets and just hope we hit a line hit to give us some extended play time. I would prefer the deluxe version where the symbols move with the diamonds. Do it! There we go, we got a line hit. All right, now, here's what I like to do, guys. I put 500 in, we hit a line hit, we're up to 800. I'm taking advantage of the 10x tier credit multiplier day, 10x. So I'm gonna play down to my original 500 and cash out. That's my walk away limit. So I got to play for free, doing big bets, building these tier credits, 10x multiplier. I won't go below my $500 starting point. Well, we take that double red 7. So this gives me a couple free big $50 swings at a massive hand pay on a $50 bet. There we go. Here's 100 back. Oh, keep the line hits alive. Oh, we got 2 spins left. That's not nice. That's not nice either. I knew I was gonna do that. And then I'm gonna cash out. I know I hit that cash out. Press cash for a ticket. I did. So 500 in, 500 out. I took all those $50 spins for free. And that, guys, is how you take advantage of tier credit multiplier days. So go play your 3 reel, 5 line games, consistent line hits, extend your gameplay. We're 30 minutes into this and I'm down $100. 30 minutes of play on $5 a spin. So that's consistent 5, and we did some $10 spins and we did some $50 spins. And literally I'm down $100. So, and I'm sure we're gonna get some crazy with that 10x multiplier. So, showing you guys the difference in the games. So, hope you appreciate this video. Love you guys very much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a member of the Judo family. And it's absolutely free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. We're trying to get to 200,000 Judo family members. We're almost there. And of course, the Unlucky Ginger, go give him a follow. And the always there in support, but rarely seen on camera, Emerald Jackpots. Go check her out as well. You'll see some videos of me on her channel, and of course videos of me on Unlucky Ginger's channel. Love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, I just ended that video, guys, and I came over here to play double 3, 4, 5x. Put that $500 voucher in the machine, and I was doing $20 spins. So we hit 9,000 on that game on the live stream day before yesterday, and then 2x. That's the first time I've ever got a multiplier in the first reel, and then as soon as I got something in this middle reel, I knew I was going to hit something, and then the 5x came out on a $20 spin, $8,000. Let's go. What do you mean you quit? Uh-oh, got to keep on moving. All right, so I put the $500 voucher in, and I was doing $20 spins. I hit a couple line hits, got up to 800. I switched to the $25 denom. I did $50 spins till I got back to my original 500. I just switched back to the 10 and took a couple $20 spins. Good. All right, we gotta get paid. Hand pay break. All right, our hand pay attendant is here. This is the end of the video. I was just trying to do an instructional video on how to make the most of, let me show you my favorite hand pay attendant in the world, Bart. He was here when I started the channel, and we put that video out and got 3 million views in the high limit room on Dragon Link. You were like, this one's above my sign-off limit. You had to go get the manager.
My pay grade.
Yep. So this will be the end of the video, guys. Just trying to do an instructional video showing you how to make the most of tier credit multiplier days. And of course, the second I turned the phone off, we just absolutely smashed it. You guys keep dancing off camera. I'm gonna get you. All right, guys. Harris Pompano. I love this place, man. This casino feels like home. I may move here, guys. Love you. I'll see you on the next one.